Beautiful. Anything new?
Nope.
Okay, back's been doing okay?
Yep.
Been shooting down the legs at all?
No.
Okay, you're doing all right? All right, sweet. You guys been working hard?
Yeah, I had a nice vacation though. I went to Arkansas. My mom lives up there.
Okay. Gotcha there. Got one right here. Good. We'll work on these muscles for a bit. It's a long, you drive down there?
Yeah.
It's a bit of a drive, isn't it?
Yeah, they live in the furthest northwest corner.
Oh, okay.
Rogers, so it's only about 6 hours.
Oh, okay, that's not too bad. And we'll lay this side up, this side down facing me. More the other way. There we go. That was good. I'll lay on your back here. Let me face up. Beautiful. All right, you're all good then.
Thank you.